What you go on, man? Hey, she call me daddy when me a spank it. She say him have zero strength, but I am fit. Hey boy, you vamp it and yamp it. Me give her titanium cocky number one. She rank it with the foot on the bed like blanket. Me sink it like Columbus bomb ship. When she a come, she chuckle like a bike. When time a crank it, then she bend down and tank it. They what? Try that. And the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know every time I come for represent, you know a full effective. You know what go already, man, when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. We hear Sean Paul come out and discuss something about dancehall. And me hear some local man take it and run them out with it. You see what I say? But here we are going. Right now, big respect to Sean Paul. And Sean Paul supposed to give big respect to Beanie Man. Because remember, you know, the big clash between Bounty Killer and Beanie Man blew up them career, explode them all over the world. And a Beanie Man are the same man who bring Sean Paul and Lady Saw upon him thing for iTunes. And I saw the world know about Sean Paul that him blow up big. So Sean Paul forgive Beanie Man respect. Anywhere at all him there, anywhere at all him see him. And a lollipop thing. You know I'm not easy already, you know I grade my smoke and I not bun beady. You know my topic them different from the rest of the man them who talk about them a vlogger. Because you know me a revolutionist to Gaza. You know I say the history of dancehall how we have it là. So Sean Paul must give respect to being a man. Top class, I don't even a lollipop thing. And here we go on. So when some man a try to put vybz kartel in some local category, I make sure I make you know this, you know. Yo, one 2000, let me tell you something. On the first 8 year or 7 year in a vybz kartel career, you know, Sean Paul run up on vybz kartel and beg him for the big collaboration with him. And vybz kartel say right now I'm going to record with hardcore artists. Him not record no song with Sean Paul. They see me because I'm not that hardcore. But here I go on Sean Paul. Them time the vybz kartel are youth and I just hardcore music in that period at that time. So right about now you can go link up the general anytime right now if you have big collaboration because the general have it anywhere. You don't want it, him can deliver it. You see what I deal with? So you can go link up the general right about now because the general new and improving now. You have to approach him with caution right about now because the system arm and dangerous. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks not in it. I hear some little man run up their mouth and I talk about who the general did run from Idona and this and that and all kind of shit. But I make sure I can get this clearly because I don't understand, you know. So I go bring you back. You see me? In times because sometimes you know man have to teach you know what I go on. You don't know what I go on. You just have to follow people and run no more. Let me tell you this. Remember, you know, vybz kartel and Idona plan up to take on dancehall on a different level because they want to stamp them name in a dancehall and never want for the underneath the Anza Alliance no more because they want to make a headway for themselves. You see what I deal with? So the man them left Alliance group. I remember when them left Alliance group, the two of them did I do them thing because I don't know if you know so the two man them end up all close thing that year there. You see what I say? But here we go on right about now. The man them go, sir, take 2 pictures. Here's where I deal with 2 local spin barrel upon it and police hold on upon the man them and I said that bar the spinners them look real. And carry the man them go to jail. Here's where I deal with and when the man them get bail, you know, I don't run left cartel, you know. And come run upon Winford Williams program and ball say his mother a nurse, his mother a teacher, and his father a soldier. You see what I deal with, and his mother a ball, and him not try to figure no more headache, and him cut left cartel. You see what I deal with? And them time they know, killer them, you don't know, Alliance are the strongest force in a dancehall them time. They say all of the media outlet, them will push out music and included all producer and certain local man. You don't know, Alliance control them, so cartel start get a fight right about now. You see what I deal with? So cartel would have to link up with Beanie Man. Beanie Man show him a couple of things and make him know, say, youth, all them big bad with him there, make sure you voice 2 songs on it. One hardcore, one for the girl them. You see what I deal with? And cartel start shell out the place right about now. Cartel, the whole of the girl them start swing vibes cartel we are right about now. You see what I deal with? So when the whole of the girl them swing the general way and the general sister him up the place now and start go at it full blast now. You see what I deal with? At them time the I don't know and run in back. Now say I want clash with the man because him sister Gaza thing turn up now. You see what I deal with? Cartel never ever go give him no highlight now, nothing for him do. That's why you hear the man say him for make up his mind. Either I'm a JOP or I'm a Alliance or him say Adi I'm daddy. Choose one and stick to it. You see what I deal with? Because me I set to Shotty. Them time them I set to Shotty. Yo, Shotty. Right about now, some wicked song I do and I dropping off for the boss, Shotty I tell me, yo, listen to me, man. One of them songs the way I hear, fuck, man. Regular cartel, I make me listen, him look at tape record where him record pan. And I make me listen crazy this song where him do for I do now. So me I say, oh, the boss no drop none of them there, and them thing there. And Shotty I make me know, say, yo, him set the cartel. Why you do so much this song for I do and I do and I link? And cartel make him know say, yo, here we are going. You think one day him now go on for size up? So when you hear some boy a chat about this and a chat about that, cartel already prepare for him already, Not even him don't even know that, Right now, I'm probably on my video, him I go watch right now and know what I talk about. Because him himself know Shotty. Whether I forgot you bag of explanation. Him know Gaza Shotty and no lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah, so him don't even know say cartel is done. Ready for him already. And done did prepare for him. Way before him even think well then him have run left the man and think him can join forces against the man. The man does now go challenge him to the way how him left and to the way how him go on because here we are going. You have to remember say him and the man plan for step and when them step him just run back to kill them I run back to kill them I want to violate the man now But so I did because I want the man throw this track at him for him thing blow up The man never ever go look on him right now. And then gimmicks business. So you don't have to know them shit there. So I did so when you hear some local man all that go on and talk about say well then them want to bring certain local artists to Vybz Kartel. These guys are living lunatic and living clown, dismal world patient them. Because me hear look come on pan JA radio I say yo alkaline right now him at 27 and him reach upon the levels of Vybz Kartel depon. Are you crazy? What kind of levels alkaline depon? Vybz Kartel is a man who sell gold record more than one time. Vybz Kartel is a man who have how much billboard hits. I never go tell you about the crossover them. Yo, watch on man. For sure you see a joke thing them a deal with my brethren. Yo, me hear you talk. When the verses come here with the competition between Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, do you think them could have called Vybz Kartel and Alkaline? Them would have to call a Vybz Kartel Movado. Because when the man them say international time, what Alkaline have to sing? Remember, say Alkaline is a YouTube artist, and I try bring down nobody. I just tell you the way how it is right now, and a lollipop thing, Is what I deal with. Because anything else you want to chat about, I must lie on one man tell, You know what I mean? And a boy can't force me to tell no unnecessary lie for no reason at all, You see what I deal with? When the man them say international time, what do we have to sing? Where am I going to sing say? A big joke thing when I go on with it, you know what I mean? And I hype up some local man, yo, where the man they bring come in a dancehall that you say, well then, yeah, them are the man now and them are going to change dancehall to a different level. I still vibes cartel style and flow around dancehall up to now. So own for pass the man. When all of uno biggest thing is for one to be like Vybz Kartel or overthrow Vybz Kartel. None of uno things for surpass him. Uno not think for pass him and carry dancehall to a different level. Then uno want we for tell the world boss, yes, world boss I hear me retire dancehall music. Or uno crazy. Uno want dancehall drop down and dead. You think we're idiot? Oh, for tell the world boss to retire dancehall music. Feet drop down and dead. We not go on with nothing in a dancehall more than throw shades and more than them thing there. Clash thing necessary in a dancehall cause we Sean Paul for remember say, yo, when Ninja Man them a wheel up the place and Super Cat them and them shit they remember, you know, a clash, you know, and sound clash, you know, whole up dancehall, you know, why, you know, that look at hip hop and disco music, they not take over the whole island, you know, because that take over the whole island them time there, you know, disco, you know, you have all some sound, you know, have that in a them set, you know, and you have sound where those play straight disco, you know. You know what I mean? And real dancehall fans know what I talk about and one a lollipop thing I talk about. A disco out for run the whole island. You see what I deal with? A Ninja Man them with the clash business and the sound clash them have to make them know say yo a dancehall run Jamaica. You see what I deal with? Till the ear Capleton drop after we come from Jamaica, come on a foreign pan tour, Mad Cabra say flex, Shabba go get the 2 Grammy, Beanie Man and Bounty Killer rise up, wicked, Bounty Killer, people dead. Yeah, the blind must be led, the hungry must be fed, Beanie Man a ball long God pan them. Oh God, Lord of mercy, bad man wicked every time. Wicked man bad all the while. Let me tell you something, man. At them thing they have to make foreigner know so well then a dancehall run place. I saw dancehall start take over about the whole place. You see what I deal with? And all island to run with it till all international countries start run with it. So I don't know what I talk say because them man I deal with some little lollipop thing. A boy want take clash thing personally and act like a violence thing him want deal with and not deal with the music. Not deal with it musically. Because them man they, you know, when them a clash, you know, the man them still have a whole heap of international hits, you know, where them a create a whole heap of international collaboration at the same time, you know. In the meanwhile, them a clash and a throw this song and have crazy hit song too on the radio where I play. Them youth don't know it. You know, see how Vybz Kartel deal with it. So when time when I run on the mouth, just try know what I talk about and not bring no look up baby artist to the man dog and call up no look up baby artist name with the man name. I want me to know. Something wrong with you know. Want to know about dancehall. You're right about now, you know, Gaza Nation. When you link up Turbo, T100, link up Tag One done, TJ Record, Shop done, me done. Because right now, you know, I think, you know, we have to fix up a big bad with him right now, you know. For me and Vybz Kartel and Gaza Diva, you know. Because I want Gaza Diva use her commanded voice where she have, you know, and sing the chorus, you know. And Vybz Kartel, you know, murder the verse them, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah, I'm just slap with the intro. Shell it way hotter than we hell. You know the thing already, the general, the 10-star wanna represent. You hear me I say, watch. Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Watch.